YouTube.
Okay. We are install Kali Linux on VMware 14 Pro version. Open VMware. And click on Create New Virtual Machine. Select Typical option. And click Next. Select Third option. And click Next. Click on Above. Linux option. And select version. Debian 9.x 64-bit. And click Next. Now, you have to name our virtual machine. Type Kali Linux or you can type other name. And click Next. OK. You have to select size. More than 20 GB of our virtual machine. And click below on Store Virtual Disk as Single File option. And click Next. OK. Now click on Customize Hardware option. And extend memory more than 1 GB. Select Processors option and select 2 core per processor. Next click on CD option. And click on ISO image file. And select your Kali Linux ISO file. Click on Close button. Now click on Finish button. OK. So here is Kali Linux setup ready. Now, power on virtual machine. So, this is first boot from CD. And use keyboard for navigation. Select option graphical install. And hit enter. Wait for options. OK. Now select your language. And click on Continue button. OK. Now select your country. And click on Continue button. OK. This is installation progress running. Now wait for next option. OK. Now type a host name. I am giving a name Kali. And click on Continue button. Do not enter in domain name. And click on Continue button. OK. Now type a root password for host. And click on Continue button. OK. Now select your time zone. And click on Continue button. OK. Select first option. Guided user entire disk method. And click on Continue button. Again click on Continue button. And select partition scheme as First option, all files in one partition, and click on Continue button. OK. Select last option, and click on Continue button. Finally, click on Yes option, and click on Continue button. OK. Now installation process start. Wait for complete. I am paused the video. For time consumption, please like and subscribe my channel for new videos, and click on bell icon button. OK. We do not install network mirror. Now click on No option. OK. We do not install network mirror. Now click on No option, and click on Continue button. OK. Now we install Grub Loader. Now click on Yes option, and click on Continue button. OK. Our installation process complete, and click on Continue button. Our virtual machine is restarted. Type username, root, and password. So, here is our Kali Linux installation complete on VMware. Thanks for watching. Hit like button, and please subscribe my channel for new videos.